Welcome back to the Speaker of English channel. This is the place where learning English feels easy, comfortable, calm, and clear. Welcome to Day 6. Every day, you are getting closer to speaking English naturally. I'm Daniel, and Mia is here with me.
Hi, everyone. Day 6 already feels special because translating in my head is what makes English hard for me.
Exactly. And today, we'll practice speaking without translating. Relax. Take a calm breath. Let's begin. Before we learn something new, let's remember something important. From day 1 to day 5, you already said simple sentences like, I am learning English. I am watching this video. You didn't translate these. You just said them. That means you are already thinking in English.
That's true. I didn't notice it before, but some sentences just come out now.
That's progress. What does translating mean? Let's talk about translating. Translating means first thinking in your language, then changing it to English. That takes time, and it makes you feel stuck. Today, we will do something different. We will think small, simple.
So I don't need big sentences?
Exactly. Small sentences help your brain stay in English. Think first, speak first. Here's the key idea for today. Think in English, speak in English. No translating. Listen to these sentences. I am here. I am listening. I am learning. These sentences are easy. Your brain understands them fast.
Yes. I don't need to think much.
That's the feeling we want. No translation practice. Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat it. Don't translate. Just listen and speak. I am here.
I am here.
I am listening.
I am listening.
I am watching.
I am watching.
Good. No thinking, just speaking. Real life short answers. In real life, short answers are perfect. Listen. How are you? I am okay. What are you doing? I am learning English. Where are you? I am at home.
These feel easy. I don't translate them.
Exactly, because they are real and simple. Now, let's slow down. Ask yourself these questions. Where am I? What am I doing? How do I feel? Answer in English. Short answers are okay. Daily task. Build the habit. Your task today is simple. 3 times today, stop for a moment and say in English, I am here. I am doing. I am okay. Morning, afternoon, night.
That feels doable. Not scary at all.
That's the goal. Today, you practiced thinking in English. You didn't translate. You spoke. That means your English is becoming natural.
I feel lighter. Speaking feels easier now.
That's a very good sign. You finished Day 6. Comment below, Day 6 done. Tomorrow, we'll practice responding without thinking too much.
Until then, be kind to yourself and keep speaking.
Small steps matter. See you in day 7.